Assalamualaikum, what's up YouTube? How are you today? YUSSIF Awesome is back! Lots of people told me to do the overhead camera stand. Wait a minute, that's not true. My father and I built an overhead camera stand, so we decided to make a video about it. What are you waiting for? Let's do it! You will need 2 tripod stands. Here's the first one and the second one. Leveler tool, screwdriver, super clamp, first EMT elbow, second EMT elbow, and obviously a camera. And don't forget to buy the rod. First things first, we'll put the right one on first. When you have it, you have to make sure it stays and doesn't fall. Or it comes off. After that, we have to make this one. So if it doesn't come off, you're good. Time to install the rod. We will start with this side first. Both of them are secure, and we're done with this part. Now it's time to level the rod. So you can see there's one flat side. And now there is a part where they go in for the circular objects, like the rod. So that side is too high, so it's up on here. So we are gonna level it. Okay. We can check one more time. See, it's leveled. After it's leveled, we're done. After installing this part, we can now install it to the rod. it just stands by itself. Now let's check it out. I am so satisfied! Hey guys! Thanks for watching! I'm going to put the links in the description. By the way, these are not affiliate links. But with your support, it will be in the future. Please like, share, comment, and most of all, subscribe. What I'm gonna do. So in that part, I'm not gonna speak. There's gonna be a bunch of